हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aharwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology, and today's session is Displaying Documents with Ghost Script and Acrobat. In this displaying documents with Ghost Script and Acrobat, we all are using Acrobat Reader. Okay, right? So this Red Hat Linux Publishing, this can be very paper intensive. If you send a Grove or LaTeX document to the printer, each time you want to make a changes to the document contents or formatting. So to save the paper and time spent while running this, and here you can use some print preview programs. Okay, when you give the command to print the document, you see that there is a print preview option, like also I am showing here in this also. This is the print preview. Is you see the cursor, this is the print preview. This, if I click on this document, and this is this is the means your document look like this, how much margin you set in the bottom, in the top, in the right or left. So this is the print preview option. Okay, so this is in the Word actually, yeah, but we are talking about in the Red Hat Linux environment. So you, for that you need to type the command. Okay, so the following this section describes the Ghost script command for displaying post script files, and the Adobe Acrobat Reader for displaying portable document formats files. The using the Ghost script and GB commands. So to display PostScript or PDF documents in Red Hat Linux, you can use the Ghost script command. So this command is a fairly crude interface intended to let you step through documents and interpret them one line at a time. So you can display any PS or .pdf files you happen to have on your computer. Like you see in this, you write the command like this, Ghost script /usr. Okay, so at this prompt, you after typing this, you just enter and go through the file one page at a time. So when the file is done, you can type the name of another PostScript PDF file and page through that file. When you are done, type quit. So the gv command means Ghost View is another more friendly way to viewing PostScript files. For viewing this, you have to type this. So this is not installed on your system. You can get it by installing a GV package. You need to install this GV package from CD3 that comes without this book. Okay, so the use of GV to open a file called r-ps, you would type the following like this command. Okay, so when the Ghost View windows open, you can you can see the document. So left click your mouse on the page and move it up and down, scroll. So using Acrobat Reader, it means this is a portable document format, that is PDF. This provides a way of storing document as they would appear in print. So with the Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can use PDF files in a very friendly way. So you type here, like after you install Adobe Acrobat Reader, type the following command to start the program, like $AR A cross red. So after clicking this, you see here this screen means display PDF files in the Acrobat Reader. So this is the way how to visualize the PDF document. So an Acrobat Reader, it has lots of nice features also, Like you can display a list of bookmarks alongside the document and click to the bookmarks to make you to a particular page. Okay, display thumbnails to the page so that you can quickly scroll through that page, that you can directly select that page. Okay, so using the menu bar or buttons, you can page through the PDF document, zoom it out and out, go to the beginning or the end of the document, display different views of the document, as well as displaying bookmarks and page thumbnails. So the print a copy, click file and the print command you click on. So this is all about today's session. Thank you so much. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.